Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Sol, technical analysis. Kung makikita natin monthly time frame is malapit niya nang maabot yung all-time high niya, which is 259. Kung makikita natin sa monthly candle, meron tayong red candle but below average yung volume. And masyado pang maaga to since wala pang halfway ng buwan. Today is only April 12. So meron pa tong more than 17 days to close this candle. Silipin na natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So yung weekly time frame natin still may mga selling pressure. And kung makikita natin sa daily, meron tayong sideways or consolidation. Currently, sa pinapakita ng Sol, meron tong mga multiple lower high, nasa downtrend momentum, but approaching support area. The moment na merong mga candle na mag-respect nitong support area na to and basagin niya yung trendline resistance, possible next direction is 203 or trying to hit again yung previous high which is 210. So always wait pa rin ng mga breakout ng key level natin. The moment na basagin yung trendline resistance, possible to gain momentum sa uptrend, and the moment naman na basagin niya yung horizontal support is possible a downtrend momentum kay Sol.